Hey there everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim, and in this video tutorial we're going to discuss about classes in Dart. Classes is very important in object-oriented programming, and here let's start. I'm going to remove the previous code, and here I'm going to write a class name, let's say students, and here string and name in age. Here I'm going to write a method void get info, print name and age. Now let's create a object. It's a blueprint of the class. Now I'm going to create a object student 1, and first of all I'm going to pass the name and age to these variables. Student1 dot name, let's say I'm passing my name, and student1 dot age, say 25. Now if I access this method by this object student1, so just pass here get info, that's it. I'm going to run. You can see here Azhar and age is 25. So let's create a constructor method. Student, and here string name and integer age. This dot name means we replace we store a name to this variable. Name is equal to this one, name, and this dot age is equal to age is this one. Now here it's a constructor method, class we have to pass here. It's a constructor method in a class, and we call here the class. It's a abstract, you can say, or not abstract, but here we have to pass the parameters like name and age, otherwise it's giving us a error or problem. So name and age. Now if I remove, save and run, perfect, it's giving us the result. So it's a very basic intro, or you can say or the overview of our classes. So actually when you start the real world projects or programming program, or you start to develop something application, these classes is very huge, and you have to write here a lot of methods and calculations, etc. In this video tutorial series I'm not able to show you all the methods and calculations and all the features of object-oriented programming and classes. So these things, it's better if you learn by yourself or search from Google, or when you start a project, that time definitely when you need something you will go maybe from Stack Overflow or Google, find the solutions. So that's for this video tutorial, and I think we cover each and everything in this video tutorial series. I will check from documentation, from dot programming documentation. If any topic I find, I will create the next video tutorial. Otherwise it's a last video tutorial for this dot programming video tutorial series.